What's up, guys and girls? Thanks for checking into the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I'm showing you our 2024 Civic Type R. This is the baddest Honda Civic to date, the Civic Type R. It's a real mean machine, awesome handling. I want to show you a little bit. I'm going to do my best to show you the log screen, the log app. First off, check these seats out. Bright red with the red carpet. Does have the black door panels, black dash. Even the back seat is black with the red seat belts, the red trim. Super cool, guys. I'm just gonna lay this key here. It's got a wireless charger too, by the way. 6-speed transmission. R is for race mode. Just kidding, that's reverse. But let me just show you a little bit about what the Honda LogR is. I'm gonna turn my screen and we're gonna hit this button here. There we go. So this brings us up. This is what they call our top page. I'm gonna pull around out of the sun. While I'm doing that, we're going to show you our data log. This is our top page. This will measure our G-forces for acceleration, G-forces for turning sharp, and of course braking. So it's measuring all those things. That's what this app does. One of the things this app does. So bring this around here. You can see the screen a little bit better. So we've got auto score. So it's automatically scoring you on different features like acceleration, braking, your G-forces when turning, and the handling of the car, how straight you can go actually. And why is that important? Well, when you're racing, you want to get around that track as fast as possible. So here we have different, you call it a track. This is, somebody did a quick loop here and it recorded it. We scored 46 points. Same here. It's gonna score here as soon as it loads up. Does a little track here, and they scored us with different things here. So so that's what it does. It tracks your performance. Are you driving in a straight line? You know, what kind of G-forces are you pulling, things like that. Let's see. Let me go back to this. All right, so it brings us up, gives us a GPS picture of where we're at, and we can basically set a route from there, go from there. You go back here, we have some actual race tracks loaded in here if I can find it. It's in my other screen here. Hold on just a moment. Okay, so under data log, you can select location, and here's some of our presets for some of the racetracks in the US. So we'll select Pocono Raceway. I have no data, haven't raced on Pocono Raceway, but it does set that. So that's pretty cool, right? Also, and I found this real helpful, we'll go back to settings. Scroll down here, it gives us a tutorial. Basically, it's telling you this app, it's just basically made to make you better. And it just shows you different things you can you can do while driving, carefully of course, and it will log different things there for you. So in a nutshell, that's kind of what that is. You can also compare this with other drivers, but it's a kind of a cool racing app. Obviously you want to do this only on a racetrack, very safe. You want to drive carefully. But that's basically it. It's the Honda Civic Type R with the Honda LogR app. Thank you very much. Follow us for more tips.